Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So first things first is the measured move was achieved. So you'd expect pullback, and the bit of structure that I see for the pullback is, I've got two levels here. That's because we've got the min on the hour, but that's 4276 and 4272. That's kind of the area we're looking at. So a couple of concerns at the moment. The first one is that the oscillators are seriously gripping the upside on the 8 hour. Now bear in mind, they can stay like that forever. Trend is up. There's no reason to be looking at anything else at the moment on the 8 hour. You're looking to buy. Any pullback is to be bought, and that's pretty much what's happening. So if we start moving down to the levels that we can trade, 3 hour, nothing really different. We've had, last week was a proper bullish bar. So we opened on, didn't quite open our low. We opened up here, dropped a little bit, and then came up. So it's got a little, the weekly's got a bit of a tail, but this is a bullish week of note, which basically erodes the previous week. Big bullish engulfing bar. So for me, this is sideways at the moment, and I want to see a sort of, I've got a weekly close above the previous week's high, but not a massive one. So I'd expect some kind of a pullback, maybe a lower high and then up on the weekly. But if we look at that on what that means on the 3 hours, I'm looking for a pullback. And for me, the hour is probably the best way to do this. This is not really a pullback at the moment. This is just algorithms playing around at the moment. So we do have a grouping of the oscillators, which is a little bit worrying. Pullback onto structure. Now, first things first, let's just get rid of that. Let's get rid of the channel, and then let's just use this level here and put it back up there. Okay, so, and that one can go. Right, so those are our three areas of interest. First one is 4282. Second one is 4276, and then lastly it's going to be 4272. So 4282, 4272. So it's 100 pip difference at the moment. So pull back onto any of the structure. I'm looking to be long with a stop below that bit of structure. Do it on the 15 minutes. It's going to just save you a hell of a lot of pain or confusion. So you can see pull back here. Any one of these levels will still keep you above the 155 EMA on the 15 minute, which is kind of what I'd look for my intraday trend at the moment. So yeah, that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. Look for some structure. There are a few, there's a little gap here, and there's one all the way down here, but there are more further down this chart. So I wouldn't be looking to hold forever. So at the moment, with the oscillators like they are, you look for structure, buy into tight stop, and look for the measured moves. So any break of structure, the height of the structure to the upside is what you're looking for. Okay, so that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. This 4282, I would expect 4280 pretty much. I mean, there's a 4280 right in here. If I use this level here, that would be 4280, I think. Yeah, 4280. So that would be a round number. But anyway, that's my view at the moment. Pull back on structure, we're looking to buy. Ultimately, I am looking for 4300 as the first target. And then sort of we should muck around there and then slowly start breaking through that. And then we're looking for 4200. 4200 will be the next area of big decisions for me. Okay, so anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Looking to buy, looking to build a position here and move it to the upside. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.